Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to be talking about vitamins and minerals, which are very important on the keto diet. So, you will have a deficiency of vitamins and minerals if you do not eat your greens or supplement with vitamins. Uh, Three of the major minerals that a lot of people don't get in on the keto diet are potassium, magnesium, and salt. So, potassium and magnesium can be found in spinach and broccoli, which is great because you definitely want to be eating your greens on keto. But you can also find magnesium in dark chocolate, which I know a lot of people will love. And you can find potassium in avocados, which is really good. Now, as far as sodium goes, a lot of people are sort of taught to stay away from sodium because it can raise your blood pressure, and a lot of people seem to think that it makes you gain weight, but it does not. Sodium has no calories in it. It can cause some water retention, but that's about it. But on the keto diet, you really need to add salt to just about everything, just to make sure you really get that sodium in, because you're not going to be able to get it from the carbs that you would usually be eating. Okay, and we're going to talk about the keto flu really quick. So the keto flu is sort of something you might go through in the beginning stages of your keto diet. So probably 1 to 2 weeks in, when your body is truly switching over to ketosis. Um, Now this usually happens because your body is not used to having no carbs in your system, and just to be frank, most of us are sort of addicted to carbs. So your body is sort of having this withdrawal from carbs. But getting your vitamins and minerals in will definitely help you get through the keto flu easier. And some people may not get the keto flu at all. So you really just want to make sure you're getting in your vitamins and minerals. All right, and that's it for this section. So I'll see you guys in the next one.